everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today we're gonna do the unboxing. I got the package of the battery. My husband opened it and he said it's Punkraveshop. I'm like, no, don't touch it. I need to do the unboxing. This one. Let's check how it looks like. I love this blouse. It's looking very cool. I love the texture. If you're gonna have it, if you're gonna see it in the black and red, buy in the black and red. There was not available black and red, but it's gonna look more cool. I got this one that was available, so I can make it more tiny behind, but I'm okay about that. I have this here. It looks so beautiful. So look at this. Wow. I think it's a short. Wow. It looks very cool. On the photo, for me it looks not so cool, but I wanted to try and wow. In real life, it's so cool. Very beautiful. Let's check how it looks like. Wow. It looks very beautiful. Oh, mamma mia. It's like I was not expected that it's gonna look so beautiful. I think it's okay. Second on the third shirts in my life that I really like how it's the last one. It's like this. I will be never have enough the coats with the pants or jacket. Oh my god! Look at that! This looks very beautiful. Looking very beautiful and very sexy. Another thing that I was not expecting that it's gonna look so good on me. Like, okay, I was expecting nothing, but it looks very cool. If you wanna make it a little bit hotter, just open a little bit. Like for me, a little bit maybe like this, but for you it's only like this. I love it. Also, I have some package. Harness, I think. Where are my scissors? I don't know. I have a harness from the Health Lover. Hi. This harness. Also, I have some clothes. I'm like always lost in 1,000 million emails, so I'm already unpackaged it. This clothes from the KollyShop. I hope I say right. Oh my god. This is pants very warm. I know how I look in that. And also here is the top in the complect to this pants. It's so warm, it's so cute, very beautiful. Ooh. This top, pretty cute. I love the color printing. It's very nice. And the same about the pants. We have this stunning dress. Oh yeah, look at this color. And we have this stunning dress. Oh yeah, look at this color. Very colorful. And the bag is just black. It's size S. Oh my god, look at the dress. I also found this green color. It looks very beautiful. Top, one of my favorite. I also so love the green color. Look how cute it looks like. Nice fiore. Wow, wow, wow. As I said, I'm in love with this top, with the color. It's so beautiful color and very nice fiore. Oh, it's so sexy. And I have this dress from the KollyShop with the angels. I think my husband gonna like it and steal this dress, I'm sure. So I need to hurry up to make the photos with it. Oh, this dress looking very, very beautiful, very sexy, very sexy. And very nice printing, like you don't see the white through the printing. It looks very good. I don't know about what I'm thinking when I choose this skirt, but I was thinking about the summer. It's so colorful. Oh, this is skirt, very, very short. Very, very short. Looks very beautiful and colorful, but just very short. Top. This one, the top. Looks very cute. I like it. We have the skirt. Look at this skirt. I like the printing. Looks very nice. Eee, look at this cutie. This is top, looks very cute. And I love it. I love this top. And also this is skirt. It looks very nice. Yeah, it's very well done. I love the quality. And the size is a little bit big, but still good. I love it. Yeah. Grazie. Also we have this beautiful top. Not too warm, but it feels very good on my skin. Size S. I think everything that I ordered was size S. It's so beautiful. This top looking very, very beautiful. Another warm pink with the fiore. Top. Just the fiore on the hands. And here is a beautiful top from the Kolly. Nice fiore. It's so soft. I love it. I need more fiore in my life. Just I like to touch it. Looks very beautiful, very sexy. Thank you for the watching. Make the red button brave. Follow my Instagram.